Hey guys, so in this video I said this would be the last HHN construction update. Well, I filmed this on a Thursday and today's Friday. Stuff was added to, I think, a couple more zones. So we'll do one more construction update, and this will be that'll be the last construction update. And then I think we're going to do a guide video sometime this week, maybe even tomorrow. Stay tuned and enjoy today's video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. This is going to probably be the last HHN construction update, and then we'll get a guide video up for you guys as well. But I want to say everything's now finally up in the park for Halloween Horror Nights. So let's take a look around. And now that we are in the park, going into 30 years, 30 fears.
Where are we?
And here it is. Oh wow. And I could probably get a good look at the sign without there being any strollers right there. The holiday crowds are gone. Summer crowds are gone. But I'm going to get a picture of this now. Got candles up there. We've done a lot of work over here in 30 years, 30 fears. I'm very looking forward to this scare zone. I look forward to all the scare zones. There's no fire thing on this one. That'll do it. Food tent is up right here. Soon we'll get the carnival games. And over there as well. And it is a sweet shop. Looks like barbecue right there. Could have made even one over there as the walls. Right there as well. And just look, just right beyond there, we got some clowns food tents as well. I don't know if they're going to be staying with me this year or not, but we'll see. We'll know very shortly. Jimmy Fallon is going to produce some Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Tribute store and Seek and Destroy. Nice little stage right here. I can't wait to see what they do on pier.
What's that?
Looks like they have a body to the old raptor cage.
Oh yeah, it does kind of look like the body. Or is that just wrapped up?
So basically, Seek and Destroy is basically done. Nothing really new going to the scare zone. It's complete. On to the next one. Another bar tent right there. Here is the Crypt TV Scare Zone. If you guys haven't checked out the YouTube channel, I highly recommend it. I do know some of the monsters. That one right there is Looksee. The motto. And as we do walk in, this is going to probably be the Looksee scene right here. Because if you yourself cannot release, it'll come and take a piece for you. And when he does, he normally kills somebody. It's like this is going to be Sally. Right here. Oh, they've had bodies stuffed up there. Woods in the door. And maybe the birch. Walter's Revenge for Christmas, and Sunny Family Cult. I am really looking forward to this scares, and I've seen all the YouTube videos that they make, and it's really cool and awesome to look at and watch. So it's his birthday today. Drinking a nice cold butterbeer. So if you guys do me a favor, check out his YouTube channel. I'll put it in the description. Is your butterbeer good? Something new has appeared. Wasn't any speculation map, but it looks like Chucky will make his return to HHN. Enjoy the scare zone a lot, and I'm gonna guess that he will pop up right here. There it is. Wow. Pretty cool. And I guess they're gonna new show as well. And here's the little bar as well.
Got pumpkins all around here for the queuing and everything. Another bar right outside the show. Halloween Nightmare Fuel. We are still preparing for. No more. There is the facade. Welcome to Scary. In the Men in Black queue right now. But yeah, there's the facade for Welcome to Scary. It's a nice place to die. Really cool. We have another bar coming up here, and it looks like we have signage as well. Got a Coca-Cola store and Men in Black gift shop. Now we're going to talk a little bit more about Springfield because apparently nothing has been really shown in here for the roaming horde. That's normally in here, but time will tell, and they got at least 2 more weeks to get everything set up. Looks like we have another bar. This side looks like Beetlejuice. I'm gonna guess this is what the Beetlejuice snacks would have. Another one right over there. I'm gonna guess that's gonna be the pizza fries are at, or it could easily be at Kids on Pizza as well. And then just one more bar just right here. Oh, this is actually known where the Twisted Taters are in one of these two areas. The next scare zone is going to be Woods Forest. That's pretty cool. I want to guess now this scare zone is complete. Be on the inside. Cool. Some nice little hiding spots for scare actors.
That's what I'm asking. Is there what else is there like this mummy?
Right there as well.
Okay.
Another spot for a scare actor to hide as well. And you got this right here. This looks amazing. That entrance way. And just right outside. You do got the Marathon of Mayhem Carnage Factory, the Lagoon Show. Right here. And make your way through our final scare zone. Lights, camera, action. Eddie's Revenge. Look at that. These and everything. Cool. I think the most popular one of all, Vamp 65. I think everybody is excited for this one the most. Somebody did correct me on it. I thought it was Carol Dance, but it's not. And I think the one that everybody is, I would be most excited for that, but that's Invasion coming back as well. And there you go. There's the banner as well.
Hey guys, so as we were just getting ready to leave the park, Rhode Islands, we ran into. Hey, what's up? How you guys doing? This is Losh TV's YouTube channel as well. I highly recommend checking it out.
Thank you.
Very nice guy. Hope you guys do check him out.
Oh man, sub to everyone. Trust me, this man's super nice. So keep watching all his content, have a lot of fun. Trust me with this.
But that'll do it for today's final update, because next time I'm going to be here, it's going to be more or less than the full guide to HHN, because we are only 2 weeks away. So, got a guide out for you guys. Enjoy that. We'll come back one more time, just check the park out. One last time, just walk around, get a good look. But I'll make my way over to Islands because something has happened to Dr. Doom.